Right, today I'm going to go over how to add an assignment in Google Classrooms. I currently have a class called Learning How. I will click on this little plus down here and create an assignment. The assignment is going to be called Introductions. I'm also going to give some instructions for the students to complete this assignment. You will be posting information about yourself. Please tell the class who you are, as well as 2 truths and 1 lie about yourself. We will try to guess which statement is a lie. I've decided that to choose a due date, I'm going to say it's going to be due on May 11th. If you want to add an attachment, you can insert a file using Google Drive, or from your Google Drive, there's files you can insert, recent, upload it, My Drive. You can also add a link for a YouTube video, just paste in the URL, or any other link from the internet. This assignment doesn't really require a link. This is available to all students, and when I go to assign this, I'm going to schedule it so that it is due on a different time, or released on a different time. I'm going to have it available on May 4th. Once I hit schedule, it will create the assignment, and on my class page is a thing that says Save Post, and you can find it right there. Click on it, and the assignment comes up, and you can edit as you need to. And this is how you create an assignment on Google Classrooms.